Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can increase your spending limit in the Coinbase. So the first step that you have to do is you have to verify your identity. So just log into your Coinbase account at coinbase.com or via the mobile application and complete the full identity verification by going to settings and then verification. So what you're going to do is just upload a government issued ID. So it could be passport, driver's license, or national ID. So you also have to take a selfie or facial verification and then add your phone number and enable two-factor authentication, which is a 2FA, and then verified accounts have higher limits and faster approval for limit increases. Next step is to build your account history. So make regular transactions on Coinbase to build account history, and then you can also start with small purchases and gradually increase amounts. So verify payment methods by linking your bank accounts or debit card. So this increases the limits significantly, and then you also have to complete a few successful buy and sell transactions. So the Coinbase monitors account activity and automatically increases limits for trusted users. So typical time frame is 30 to 60 days of consistent activity before limit increases are considered. So next step is to link and verify payment methods. So go to settings, tap on the payment methods in Coinbase, and then add and verify your bank account via Plaid Instant Verification or micro deposits. So just link a debit card for instant purchases. So that would be higher fees but immediate. And then verify each payment methods by completing test transactions or confirming micro deposits. And then each verified payment method increases your available limits. So the bank accounts typically have higher limits than cards and lower fees. So next step is to request limit increase. So just navigate to settings, tap on the limits in your Coinbase account, and then review your current daily and weekly limits for buying or selling and sending crypto. So if eligible, you will see an option to request limit increase, and then just click this button and follow the prompts. So you may need to provide additional documentation like proof of address or income verification, and then the Coinbase reviews requests within 2 to 5 minutes, business days rather. So some increases are automatic based on the account standing. So lastly is you have to keep your increased limits. So once approved, your new limits appear in the settings, and then you can also tap on the limits to see it. So limits are displayed per payment method and transaction type. So you have to maintain good account standing by avoiding suspicious activity, chargebacks, or policy violation. So just continue making regular and legitimate transactions. So the Coinbase may automatically increase limits further over time as you build more history. And then you also have to enable all security features like 2FA, whitelist addresses to maintain trust. So you just check your limits periodically as they can increase without notification. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!